take this stem, put the washer on, push it through, hold it with your finger, take the silicone gasket, slide it on, but you gotta get it all the way down. You have to get it all the way down or this doesn't work. Get it all the way down. Put this on, pointing up. Put the washer on. Put the nut on. You don't actually need a wrench if you hold the other side. And it only works when this is tight and this isn't wiggling around. And then this one doesn't really need any explanation. There's only two pieces. There's this silicone thing. Pops on like that. Stick it through first. Hold it with your finger. Done. And then number 3 goes on the outside, loosely. That's it.